guys, welcome back. Someone asked me, how do you do launch control with the X5? So this video is just specific to them as far as how to do launch control. So first thing is, you need to get the car warmed up. It has to be driven a little bit. The oil temp, transmission temp has to be warmed up. Get that done and then you'll be ready to go. I believe the owner's manual says you need to have the traction control set in DTC, transmission in sport mode. I quickly just go to Sport Plus on the transmission and I move my shifter over to Sport, and then I'm ready to go. Now at that point, when I'm ready to do launch control, all I need to do is just press the brake and hold the gas. So we find a section that I'm able to do that on. Okay, the car's been driven around a little bit, so I'm going to go into Sport Plus. And let's see, sport mode. Okay, so I am coming down to a stop. We'll press the brake firmly, press the gas pedal to the floor, launch to active, release the brake. Okay, and that was all right. So that's launch control. And you saw what I did, warmed it up. Sport Plus, I just put everything in Sport Plus. Transmission in sport mode. Press the brake firmly, mash gas pedal quickly to the floor. To the kickdown switch, like me, you press it down to the floor and hold it. And immediately you see the launch flag. You have 3 seconds to launch. If you don't launch for 3 seconds, the launch code gets canceled. So you quickly release the brake and it launches out. I mean, it really, it almost took my breath. Just the all-wheel drive, just any all-wheel drive car, just launching that way was amazing. But you can't do it again until the car's driven a little bit longer. It has to be cooled down appropriately. So it just keeps you from overheating the transmission. You can't, be like doing back-to-back, like drags and launches or anything like that. So if you're at a drag strip, more than likely you're not gonna be able to do it again until the car's driven for a few miles to kind of cool the transmission down. So keep that in mind. I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.